Thank you for joining us today at 2cutebeads.com. I am going to show you how we put together our Crystal Creation Kaleidoscope Sun Catcher. This is what your kit is going to come with, and everything is complete in here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take our wire and gently stretch it out. And we're going to cut it in about 8-inch sections. So we're going to start with our flower first. And you have 2 green, 2 amethyst, so we're going to load our hearts on. Once we have our hearts loaded on, we're going to take our wire and we're going to cross it back through all of our hearts. Grab both sides and start pulling. Try to keep them centered so that you have equal amounts of wire on both sides. Bring your wires up together, twist. Then with either your round nose or your bent nose, get in here and start twisting until everything is nice and tight. Now we have the bottom of our sun catcher. Going to open up the second package of beads. You have some double ABs. So I'm going to add on my bicone beads now, and there's 3 of them. Now with my round nose, I'm going to start just as if I was making an earring. Back towards me, wire around, up, under, and I stop right there. I take my chain and I load my chain onto my stainless steel wire that I have a half wrap on. Pull it through. can finish my wrap. Cut off my excess wire. Determine how high or low I want this. So on this one, I'm just going to go a couple. So I'm going to open this one up right here. So on this one, I want my butterflies a little bit higher, not right off of the bottom. So now it looks like this. I'm going to take another piece of wire, cut it off. I'm going to take it through, bring it up. I'm going to add my bicone. Pull it down in place. I'm going to go with the fuchsia butterfly. Another bicone. And you can arrange them any way you'd like them. And again, back towards me, away from me, underneath, and stop. Add my chain. Finish my wrap. Again, cut off your extra wire. I'm going to go up a little bit more. To add another set of butterflies. Going to take another piece of wire. Bring it together through my chain. Add my bicone. Butterfly. Bicone, and my last butterfly. towards me, back around, underneath. Wrap everything in place. Again, cutting off any extra wire that I have. Open up my small jump ring. Take it through my loop. Add my piece of chain. My larger jump ring. And close. So, I have this version and I have this version. And you also you have a little bit of extra wire that if you want to break this down in between these sections, make it your own design. If you have spare bicones at home, you have extra wire to do that with. So you can come right off here with no chain. This one I did a little bit different. Hope you enjoyed. Thanks for joining us at 2cutebeads.com.